Hi guys, welcome back to another car review video. So today I've got for you the new 2019 Volkswagen Golf R-Line. The Golf has always been the staple of Volkswagen sales all around the world, and they've updated the new 2019 Golf with a lot of modern bells and whistles while not sacrificing on the power that the Golf provides. So let's start talking about the front of the car. As you can see, the new LED headlamps have been redone and it looks gorgeous. It does have LED daytime running lights as well, and an auto function with follow me home function as well. The bumper has been completely redone, the grille is now new, and it has a little R-Line symbol here, which I find it looks nice. Looking at the car, it looks fantastic. I mean, it looks aggressive. It looks like it really wants to go, take off on the road, attack some corners, and I know that this car will do just that. But like I said, let's not get ahead of ourselves. So let's take a look at the back. Okay, so as you can see with the back, the lights have been redone, completely redone. It is an LED tail lamp now, and it has this 3-line LED stream that goes across, which I think looks really good. It looks really good. You do have this now. The bumper has been completely redone, and you've got 2 exhaust holes at the bottom, which actually makes the car look very sporty and nice. But overall, the car looks damn good. So let's take a look at the rims now. Alright, so the rims have been updated in design. It's got this very nice looking 5-star design with 2 prongs on each. Looks good. It rides on 17-inch rims, which gives the car its handling and I guess performance. It does have this plastic cover for the bolts, which I think, I don't know, I don't really care for it. But I think it protects the bolts, right? Because yeah, it looks okay to be honest, but not much to say about it. So let's take a look on the inside. Okay, so the interior has been completely redone. The instrument cluster is now a full screen instrument cluster. Shows you everything all digitally, everything that has to do with the car. Everything is all displayed there. Widescreen. It's fantastic looking. The new head unit is now 8 inches. It supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is very good. It also has a MirrorLink function if you wish. Everything else also can be controlled through this head unit as well. Center console has been redone, so you now have a dual climate control and auto function, which is good. This particular part though, it's exactly the same as the previous Golf. Oh, I would like to point out though, it has this. It has got that R logo on the seats. It makes you feel like you're driving the Golf R, but it's the R-Line. I mean, I guess it's a nice touch. It makes it look a lot classier. But I do have one gripe though. It's full leather and it doesn't have perforated seats. So if you were to be driving this really intensely, you're gonna sweat. Yeah, I guess that's it. Jump to the back. Okay, so at the back here, you get a significant amount of legroom, very comfortable seating position, even though the driver has a seat nicely for size. You get aircon louvers here, and also 2 ISOFIX mounts located here, and also on behind me here. So I have put 5 adults in this car, and it was actually a very comfortable drive for all 5 of us. Yeah, I didn't get any complaints. It was good. What else? Oh, you can also fold the seats forward using the levers that you get at the top on both sides. Pull it all the way down, so you get a 60-40 split, which is very good. So what can I say? It's a comfortable place to be in. You get your aircon louvers that you can actually adjust it yourself at the back here, which is great. If you've got only 2 people, you have cup holders. Cup holders are always a good thing to have. Alright, so let's take a look at the boot. Right, so like all Golfs, and that opens. Pull it out and ta-da! So being a hatchback, you know you've got a very limited amount of boot space, but at least it does have the height, and you can take this off to actually get more height in your boot. But because this is the Sound and Style variant, you do have a sound bar at the back here that takes up 20% of your boot space, so that it limits the amount of boot space in this car. So my advice is, if you're gonna buy this, don't have anything to carry, okay? But if you do have things to carry, there are some things at the back here which helps as well. You've got like mounts here. You've got a metal mount here, a plastic one at the top to actually mount your nets. You can tie anything down if you wish. You've got like slots here, left and right, for you to put your things in. And you also have a 12-volt outlet here. If you want to use this outside camping, you want to charge your devices or whatever not, it works, which is good. But I do have a grab instead. Yeah, it's a spare tire. For something as sporty looking at this, they gave you a regular spare tire. There's no fifth rim, there's no fifth tire, which I am a bit perplexed, to be honest. But that's the job. I guess that's what it's supposed to be, right? So let's take it back to FaceTime and I will show you how this car drives. Alright guys, so I'm finally driving the 2019 Golf R-Line. First things off, as expected, this car has a fun amount of horsepower and a fun amount of torque. Let's see if I can use it. Wait! Okay. Alright, okay. Enough mucking about. It's a review video, come on. Okay, so first things off that I like to mention. The damping is good. The suspension system is great. It really keeps your car tidy in the corners, and somehow even in uneven surfaces, like, hey, I'm about to read something here. You can barely feel it. And mind you, these are 17-inch rims, and you can still barely feel the bumps on the road. You can still barely feel the, imperfections on the road. It's comfortable to drive. I can see myself driving this as a daily. Yeah, I actually can. However, there's one thing that it's just a personal thing for me. I don't like steering wheels that are a bit too light. I guess I'm old school. I've been to those hydraulic kind of steering wheels. This is fully electric, so the steering feels very light when you're at lower speeds, and I guess that helps so that the driver doesn't feel tired while driving this car. But it's just a personal opinion. I don't really like it. I prefer my steering wheel to have some weight, some hefty weight to it, because with a heavy steering wheel, it gives me that confidence to actually take a corner to the best of my ability, or to the best the car will allow me. But with this, it's like when you enter the corner, upon entering a corner, there's very little steering feedback. So you're not sure if your steering inputs are received, but when you're already in the corner, that's when the weight catches you. That's when you feel the weight, and then you're like, oh, I can push some more. And then you go for it. You will go for that corner, which I think it's a good and a bad thing. It's a good thing in the sense that, you don't get tired when driving this car. It's a bad thing that you may need to make some steering corrections in the middle of the corner. That's what I feel.
what else? Other than that, yep, this car saves quite good amount of fuel actually. I've been driving this for quite a while, and I am doing 8.8 liters per 100 kilometer. And mind you, I am gunning it in every opportunity that I can. I mean, it's golf, right? You might as well. So somehow it's still saving a load of fuel. I guess because the car does have a 1.4 liter turbocharged engine. I guess maybe that's why. So I mean, it's okay. I like it. It's a fun hatchback. It's a fun, fast hatchback. That's what you want. It's golf. It's meant to do these things. You know, it's meant for you to take a corner. It's meant for you to go fast and still be in control at all times. So yeah.
So, what do you guys think of the Golf? Do share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to go out and test the car out. Do like the video if you like what you see, and click that notification icon to be updated on our future videos. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good day and peace!